Hi, I'm filming after a long time because I caught a cold and I actually lost my voice. It isn't back to its full strength, so bear with me please, and I might actually take breaks to cough and to take Fisherman's Friend lozenges and everything. So, Cohorted Advent Calendar, listen to this. The Cohorted Advent Calendar started shipping, it's still available people, only in November, because apparently they ship really late so that you're not tempted to open everything up before Advent. And what happened was, the delivery came and I was plaiting my hair, I was brushing it with my wet brush and I had my hair tie and everything. And then the calendar came, so I got the calendar and then my wet brush went missing, my hairbrush. I have no idea what happened. So the price that I paid for the Cohorted Advent Calendar was 48 quid, the shipping and a wet brush. Anyway, here is the calendar. Let me try and open that without showing you lot where I live. So just bear with me. I'm going to go off camera so that, I mean, in case you don't see me after this, it means that I've accidentally stabbed myself because I am very klutzy. Woo, here we are. I haven't stabbed myself. Okay, let me try and show you that. Inside this box, hopefully, are not 12 long-stemmed red roses, but an advent calendar. Yeah, let's just remove that wrapping. Just quite heavy. And here we are. I think it looks beautiful. Right, I actually almost don't feel like pulling that ribbon out because, you know, it is beautifully done. Oh dear, hang on. I'm going to have to look at this. Okay. The bow seems to be stuck to the whole thing. And how do I even open this? Oh, all right. You don't have to pull off the bow, thankfully. All you do is this. And here we oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. So what do we have here? A facade of some kind of store. And it says, have a cohorted Christmas. Yeah, I'll just bring this close to the camera and then I'll start unboxing. I mean, I haven't bought an advent calendar last year. This is my first one in 2 years. So the box has magnetic closure, so nothing flimsy there. All very reusable. But as you can see there is a bit of damage on, one edge. Probably happened during transit. The problem is when you open the advent calendar like that, the damage becomes more evident. I think this looks very high quality and everything. The drawers are big size. You can store lots of things once you're done. So let's see what door number 1. There's a lot of shredded paper in there. Lots and lots of shredded paper. Is there anything at all in here? Lots and lots and lots of shredded paper. More shredded paper. Still more shredded paper. Even more shredded paper. And finally, Irene Ford night cream, hibiscus night cream. Hang on, let me grab my price sheet there. That is 30 mils, which retails at £88. Yeah, 30 mils. Glass jar, and this contains hibiscus seed, peptides, hyaluronic acid, green pea polypeptide, and a ceramide complex. And it is made in Italy. That actually sounds very nice, you know? Lots and lots of peptides. It's basically a peptide cream. I am going to give this a try. Now, everything in this advent calendar, I forgot to tell you, is vegan and cruelty-free. The calendar costs £48. I know, late days to tell you. And shipping depends on where you live. Some people have told me that they've been charged £48 for one advent calendar and a lot less for 3 advent calendars, which doesn't even begin to make sense. Also, Cohorted has another advent calendar called the Baubles Advent Calendar, and shipping for that costs a lot less. This is based on what somebody in Poland told me. So it all depends. You're going to have to add it to cart and see exactly what your shipping is, I'm afraid. So Irene Ford hibiscus night cream containing hibiscus seed peptides, hyaluronic acid, green pea polypeptide, and a ceramide complex. Excellent. Let me put that back. Oh, there's silica gel in here as well. Excellent. I will use it to absorb all the moisture in my storage drawer of eyeshadow palettes. I will find where door number 2 is. Here we are. That's 2. And I know it looks actually quite small, doesn't it? This is the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit, and the shade that I've got is unfortunately shade 3, Warm Light Brown. I might actually have to give this away, so in which case I'm not going to swatch this. Let's see if that color is going to suit me or not. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, does it? The tip is really, really thin. So I think this is actually a product that you use to fill in your eyebrows rather than, you know, have a uniform tint or anything. I prefer Benefit Gimme Brow to this. So I'll just come close to the camera and show you the swatch. So that's a very light swatch, and I think I can make it work for me. Alright, at least it's not a wasteful product. Now let's find drawer number 3. I mean, it's better than bubble wrap, I get it. They don't want all these complaints from people saying everything's broken and all that. So I think this is the Emma Hardy. Yes, it is. Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, 30 mils. Oh dear, lots of dust from the shredded paper. 50 grams is full-sized, and that retails at £25. This is only 30 grams. But yeah, Moringa Cleansing Balm, big fan. I'm happy to use it. So let's get the silica gel out of number 3 before I dig out number 4 for you lot. Where is 4? Here is 4. I should probably have unboxed this calendar standing up as I used to do, but then, you know, circumstances have changed, and right now I don't have access to that particular setup or my stand, but I will manage that next year if we are doing advent calendars. This is a scented candle from Parks. It is the amber candle. Oh, it smells quite good. I think the candle looks very, 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 you know, classy. Very nice, very, very nice. I can get the amber in there. And it says, before you light, be bright. And the candle is made in England, 100% natural wax. Let me put that out of the way and dig up number 5. For a 12-day advent calendar, that box actually looks quite big. You know, 12-day advent calendar, I thought it would be much smaller than that. It isn't. It's actually quite a big box. Okay, Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Now, somebody said on my channel, Milo, the name was of the commenter, they said a lot of things had changed, a couple of things in their advent calendar. Instead of sheet masks for the face, they received under eye patches. And the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer had changed as well. Now, this is supposed to be 40 mils, Mayan Vanilla and Orange Blossom, right there. Mayan Vanilla and Orange Blossom, 40 mils. So far nothing has changed for me in this advent calendar, but early days. Number 6 is next. The big thing that I don't like about this advent calendar is all the shredded paper, but it is better than bubble wrap, I suppose. And in here, there's more shredded paper inside. I'm not taking the entire lot out because, you know, there's already enough to clean on the floor. This is the Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream, 20 mils you get, which actually retails at £25. So I have done a separate price breakdown video. I'm not going to tell you the price of each and every single product right now, because, you know, I've already done that. I don't want to repeat myself and waste time. The next one is number 7. That contains, so yes, I am getting sheet masks as they promise. The Raw Gel Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask. 2 sheet masks, just as they said. So far nothing has changed for me in this advent calendar. I was a little scared after hearing what Milo had to say, particularly because, you know, they bought 2 advent calendars and received only 1. Hopefully they'll sort that out for her. Oh, this is the Wonder Beauty highlighter. Yeah, Wonder Beauty Wondrous Glow highlighter. It is sealed. Do you know what? I'm not going to open this because I don't like highlighters for starters. I never use them. They act as a beacon for all my pitted acne scars. So I'm just going to give this away as a Christmas present. Off it goes. I don't like highlighters. Not a fan. Number 9. Where is that eyeshadow palette? I'm here for the eyeshadow palette. Hopefully this is it. Nice velvet pouch. Yes, this is the eyeshadow palette from Delilah. And hopefully no eyeshadow has broken. You get the damsel palette. I will come close to the camera. Oh yes, there we are. Very, very, very nice. So normally in advent calendars, beauty boxes, gifts with purchase, they include really mingy, awful eyeshadow palettes that nobody really wants, or, you know, are not made very... Yeah, this one is made in the UK. That is something that I like. I mean, not being snobbish or anything. I have bought products that are manufactured in all sorts of places from indie brands and mainstream brands in the past. It's just that, you know, I'm just pleased that they've sent out something like this. Door number 10 is next. They ought to have sent a Hoover or something with this thing so that people could, you know, clean up all the mess from the shredded paper. So this is the Fresh Tea Elixir. You only get 7 mils. Full size is 50 mils. I'm not going to count it. This is a very new launch from Fresh. I am happy to try it. Wee little tube in there. What does it contain? Oh dear, it contains jojoba seed oil and sunflower seed oil and argan kernel oil. Hopefully those oils won't do any, you know, give me any problems or, you know, cause any breakouts or anything. Oh dear, door number 11 means that we're at the penultimate door already. That is so sad. I wanted this calendar to last a bit longer. That's the worst thing of 12-day advent calendars. They don't really last long enough, you know. Oops. Do you hear that? No, not causing the noise. Okay, the silica gel pouch has broken and that's happening. Oh, but at least it's not a product that's causing that noise. Right, let me put that drawer back and then I'll tell you about these products. These are the Authentic Beauty Concept Replenish Cleanser and Replenish Mask for the hair. We were supposed to get the Glow Cleanser and the Glow Mask. I have got the Replenish Cleanser, but the Glow Cleanser is for coloured hair, and I've never coloured my hair in my entire life. I am happy to get the Replenish Cleanser, which sounds hydrating actually. And this is a Replenish Mask. You get 30 mils of this and 50 mils of this. Full size is 300 mils. This does retail at 6 quid and this retails at 7 quid, but they're not full sizes. They are discovery sizes or standalone retail sizes. I'm rather, you know, sad that this one's over. I liked this calendar for starters. For another thing, no nice. For another thing, you know, I won't have an advent calendar this year, and I, you know, may or may not buy one next year. So I am very sad that this one's over. I wish it had lasted a bit longer. Yes, this is that device from Redui, the Boost device, which alone costs £179, people. So that's nicely wrapped there. Let's open it. Sealed, in fact. I am looking forward to this. But the only problem is they should have enclosed the instructions for this. I have no idea what to do with it. Yeah, there's a QR code over here that you scan. I'm not bringing that close to the camera. You scan that and apparently you get a complete user guide and terms of use and everything. So this is also sealed. The Redui Boost device, people, which helps your, this is made in China, this helps your skincare penetrate deeper, apparently. I am looking forward to trying this out. But it is sealed now, so I won't be trying this immediately, because, you know, lots of things to do, maybe over the next weeks. So that's it, 12 products. I do wish it had lasted longer, but, you know, 24-day advent calendar, I knew this was a 12-day advent calendar. And, you know, this one device, £179, more than covers the cost of the advent calendar, postage, the cost of my wet brush that went missing, and everything else in between. So too does that Irene Fort Hibiscus Night Cream, another very good inclusion. I also like that eyeshadow palette very much. The brow pencil will be used. Surprisingly, the shade will suit me. What will be given away and what I wish they didn't have, because the Baubles calendar contains a lip oil instead from the same brand. Water Beauty highlighter. I would have preferred the Water Beauty lip oil instead, but you can't have everything, I suppose. Yeah, this is full size and retails at £26. So this is the only product that I really don't like. I will also be giving away the vitamin C cream from Emma Hardy because I don't use Active yet. My skin is still in bad shape. So I'm really happy to receive this. I am going to put back everything in this advent calendar and, you know, open everything only on Advent. I just wanted to show you lot this one early. I'm sorry if I've spoiled something for you. All the products were exactly as they said, everything in good shape. The only casualties were one pouch of silica gel which had broken, and all the shredded paper all over my room. So no complaints at all. I'm delighted that I bought this Advent calendar. It is my first Advent calendar in 2 years. I like that it's quite huggable. Yeah, very huggable, very nice. I look forward to seeing what Cohorted does next year. I hope it will be at least as exciting, with equal high value, exciting new products from new brands to try. Nice eyeshadow palette and nice device to play with and everything. And gorgeous packaging. This will be stored very sturdy. So no complaints whatsoever. Have you bought this Advent calendar? It is still available for purchase. They ship worldwide. Where to buy is linked in the description box below to check. But there is also a code that you can use. So all is good. If you have bought it and unboxed it, do tell me what happened. Do you have problems with your Advent calendar? I'm asking because I'm trying to figure out which retailers have a problem or have a problematic history of customer service and delivery problems. Have you had problems with delivery, with products being smashed, with products being changed from what they've said? They've actually done that. Look at that. So it's a bit of a disclaimer for them. Yeah, we'll change things. Yeah, they put that on their webpage. Or have they forgotten to include an extra calendar that you ordered? Do tell me all of that. Or has everything been good? Or are you waiting to unbox until Advent? You strong person, you. If so, do tell me all of that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And speak to you soon.